Hey YouTube, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. Just wanted to show off a new item that just arrived. Just came in today. We're going to do a quick unboxing. Alright. So, here we have the Red Dragon Surya K563. So it's an interesting keyboard. It's supposed to be RGB, but the cool thing, it's also a mechanical keyboard, and for under $60, it was a really good deal I couldn't pass up. So I went ahead and grabbed it. So let's go ahead and take a peek at it and see what we've got. So inside the box you get a thank you for your recent purchase note card, a pretty well wrapped up keyboard, a pure plastic wrist rest. Again, like I've said in the last video of a keyboard unboxing, I'm not a fan of the all plastic. For just a little bit more, they could have put a keyboard rest that had some sort of padding on it, and that would have been a bit nicer. It also has a key puller so that you can pull out the keys to replace them as needed. And let's take a look at the keyboard itself. Alright, so it's definitely a mechanical keyboard. Got nice click sounds to the keys. They're blue keys. Nice sturdy feet. Nice good rubber pads on the bottom. Again, you've got the mechanical keys. Let's go ahead and take a quick peek at what it looks like plugged in. Even comes a little cover for the USB. It's nice to have. There you go. It's a nice RGB keyboard. Looks pretty nicely done. Now I don't know as of yet whether the individual keys are able to be addressed like on some of the Razer keyboards, like the Chroma ones, but I'm going to check that out and I'll go ahead and make an update later. But I thought everyone would like to see a fully mechanical keyboard. That's not bad at all. So anyway, that was today's show and tell. If you like our content, please like the video. If you want to see more of our content, go ahead and subscribe and you'll be kept up to date. And as always, leave me a comment with some feedback and let me know what you thought, not only of this, but if you've got any questions for myself, let me know and I'll see about answering them in the up and coming questions and answers video that I've planned, probably around next month. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great day.